This is 11245, an inside accessible cabin. So as you come in, it is a little bit dark in here. Let's see if there's some more lights we can turn on. We hit the main lights, but that is all that came on. And so, yeah, there we go.
There, that's much better.
That's much better.
Yes.
So as you come in, beds are always separated. There's no way to bring them together. So you got a twin on one side, a twin on the other. All right, so this cannot convert into a king. You do have 2 closets. We can say his and hers. And they have these nice handles on there so you can pull this down to get to your clothes that are on hangers. There's also a safe and a couple of drawers. Same on this side. All right, and then there's a mini bar in there. Across from this bed over here is your TV. Okay, I don't want to forget the desk area over here. It does light up. There's some power, a couple US, 2 USB, and 2 European power. Okay, nice wide entry, big wide door. And then of course the bathroom, which is a roll-in or 0 clearance. As you see, there are grab bars everywhere on the toilet as well as the shower. There are panic buttons up here as well next to the toilet in case you need assistance. All right, a bench to transfer onto there. Over here, a couple shelves, nice sort of corner mirror situation. Same thing with the sink. All right, so there you go. This is an inside accessible cabin. We'll see you on the next one.